Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently got NBR extensions. I've only had them in my head for a couple of days, but I already have some pros and cons that I wanted to share with you. So I will leave a link in the description all about NBR, who started it, where it started from, but basically what it is a bead and thread method in a horseshoe around your head, and they sew in the wefts of hair. It's supposed to be better for your head because there's fewer points of contact, but you can still achieve a lot of hair. I've always played with extensions. I've tried the clip-in, the tape-in, the individual beaded, and now the NBR method. This is my favorite out of all of those. So if you've ever tried on extensions, I think you'll understand this first pro, and that is the confidence that they give you. I know it's so important to find that inner confidence without all the exterior, but to me, having extensions or like having a new outfit, it just boosts my confidence and it makes me feel better overall. So instant confidence. Second pro is the comfort. They are by far the most comfortable extensions I've ever had, just in general, to wear, to sleep in, to run your fingers through when the wind blows. It's just overall comfortable. Pro number 3 is that they are almost invisible. You can see when I move my hair, you just really can't see them. And I'll show you a row, or try to. Let's see. I'm not sure if this is a good view, but you can see where they're sewn in right here. I love knowing that when the wind is blowing, you cannot see my extensions. Pro number 4 was how quick the actual install was. I was at the salon for, I think maybe 4 hours, but that is just because we did the initial consult, the cut, the color, and then the install. But I'd say the actual install is probably 30 minutes to an hour, so super quick. So the cons. I only have a few cons, and the main one is the price of these extensions. They are not cheap. Very expensive for the average person. There's a lot of factors that determine the price, but you can expect to spend anywhere from a little over $1,000 to $2,000 on these extensions. The only upside to that is when you go in the salon to get them moved up, you are looking at $200 to $300 for the maintenance every 8 to 10 weeks. My second con is just the maintenance that comes along with having extensions, so that's going in the salon, plus just taking really good care of the hair, making sure to tie it back when you sleep, making sure the hair that you naturally shed comes out, making sure to brush them. I don't have a problem with doing any of that, but I could see how that's not for everybody. So maintenance is definitely something to consider. My third con ties into con number 1, and that is the price of products to care for the extensions. So if you're spending all this money on your hair, you want to maintain the integrity of the extension, and you're probably going to want to invest in some products. My stylist recommended the Orbay line, and I looked at a bottle of shampoo. It was close to $50, and I want to say it was only 6 ounces, which is very small. You're going to be spending money on these luxurious, safe for extension products, and then since you have all this extra hair, you're going to be using more of that product. So my main con with the whole NBR thing is just the price and the financial part of it. So those are my pros and cons. Obviously more pros. I really love these extensions. I love the method. I'd love to know if you've tried NBR or if you're thinking about it, or have you even ever heard of this? I feel like it's not new, but I feel like not a lot of people know about it. So let me know. And now I'm going to insert footage of me before the extensions and then right after.
I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my light goes. I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some